Elevate your dental knowledge with the must-have dental book of the year. Introduction. Are you a dental professional seeking to take your expertise to new heights? Look no further. Introducing the must-have dental book of the year that will revolutionize the way you expand your dental knowledge. This comprehensive guide is designed to provide you with the essential information and insights necessary to excel in your dental practice. In this informative book, you will explore a treasure trove of dental knowledge, gaining a deeper understanding of various dental procedures, advancements in technology, and emerging trends in the field. Whether you are a seasoned dentist or a dental student, this book caters to all levels of expertise, ensuring comprehensive coverage for a holistic learning experience. More dental book here. With a keen focus on elevating your dental knowledge, this book delves into the intricacies of dental anatomy, oral healthcare, and the latest breakthroughs in dental treatments. Starting from the foundations, the book provides a meticulous exploration of oral health, emphasizing the importance of proper dental care and hygiene for patients of all ages. It outlines step-by-step procedures, including brushing and flossing techniques, preventative measures, and common dental issues and treatments. As you progress through the chapters, you will be introduced to emerging dental technologies that are shaping the future of dentistry. Discover how digital dentistry and innovative imaging techniques are revolutionizing diagnosis and treatment planning. Learn about minimally invasive procedures, such as laser dentistry and computer-guided implantology, that are paving the way for improved patient outcomes and shorter recovery periods. Moreover, this book goes beyond clinical knowledge, delving into the art of effective patient communication and dental practice management. Gain invaluable insights on building strong patient relationships, enhancing patient satisfaction, and streamlining office operations. Uncover strategies to effectively market your dental practice in the digital era and attract a wider patient base. In conclusion, the must-have dental book of the year offers dentists, dental students, and all dental professionals an unparalleled opportunity to elevate their knowledge and stay ahead in this ever-evolving field. Written by industry experts with years of experience, this book combines comprehensive information, practical advice, and captivating storytelling to engage readers and empower them to excel in their dental careers. So, unleash your potential and embark on a transformative journey that will deepen your dental knowledge and propel your dental practice to new heights. Don't miss out on this essential resource that is destined to become your ultimate go-to guide in the world of dentistry. Get your hands on this must-have dental book of the year and unlock the gateway to professional excellence.